Let's be completely honest, finding Tay perfect gear can be stressful, but you seriously need see this changes everything. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it performs flawlessly, I was completely sold. It is shockingly good at what it does because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it delivers outstanding results instantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it sells out everywhere. Let's be completely honest, finding Tay perfect gear can be stressful, but you seriously need see this changes everything. This viral item is literally